Yung Jets, Martin the Vaxanarze, Zada Yuare, not the Vigosiriago, Waganyat the Nibigi Rota, KSS, Kadawayasta, Kahnawake Kanagre, Aska Yuare, Niga Hyadu, Kawi.
Okay, I wrestled KSS. I started in 1992. I wrestled through to 97, specifically at KSS.
So my name is Shannon Cross. I am the team liaison. I started wrestling in grade 7. That was 1998. It used to be like really tough back in the day. There was lots of discipline. And right now it's starting to come back, but it was lost for a while.
Pete came in, he was a little bit loose, I'd say, in his coaching style. There wasn't the same standard, or people kind of came and went as they pleased. They didn't have to be there every day. They didn't have to train, and they still allowed them to compete. Back then that was unacceptable. It was unheard of. So we made a promise to him. He wanted us to come back in and get involved, and we kind of made him, we kind of said that we would get back involved, and that, we try to bring, we set the standard really high, but we want to bring it close to that standard again of tough wrestling, tough kids, no nonsense type of KSS wrestling. I want to see KSS back to national level contender. Obviously we have to take baby steps. First we want to start winning individual GMA championships, team championships. I'd like to see guys going on to provincials, placing high provincials, and ultimately going to nationals and competing for medals, if not winning the whole thing. How we plan on getting the team back up to a competitive level is, through hard work. We want our kids to be dedicated. We have standards for the teams. Kids come in, their parents get a package. They're expected to attend practice. We keep attendance. We expect you to train hard. We expect you to train not only during practice time, but on your own time. We expect you to be doing your running, doing your push-ups. That's what it takes. This is a combative sport. And that's what we're gonna push until we get back to that level. We're gonna wrestle. We want you to come motivated, tough, mentally tough, and ready to train yourself, improve yourself as not only a wrestler but as a human being.
It's gonna be very hard. They're gonna struggle, but determination will get them through it. They shouldn't give up. It's worth it. We become our own little family afterwards.